Welcome to Grade 12 English Home Language. Today's lesson focuses on reading comprehension strategies. You will learn how to understand texts, identify important information, recognize implied meaning, and answer examination questions accurately. Strong comprehension skills will help you in English and in every subject that requires careful reading. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to apply effective reading strategies. You should identify main ideas and supporting details, make accurate inferences, analyze tone and language, and understand vocabulary in context. You should also answer NSC comprehension questions clearly and support your responses with relevant textual evidence. This lesson covers the main skills needed for successful reading comprehension. We will explore active reading, skimming, scanning, main ideas, supporting details, inference, vocabulary, tone, fact and opinion, and the writer's purpose. We will also examine common question types and practical strategies for the NSC examination. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand, interpret, and evaluate a written text. It includes identifying information stated directly and recognizing ideas that are only suggested. A strong reader also considers the writer's purpose, tone, evidence, and language choices. Comprehension, therefore, requires both careful reading and critical thinking. Comprehension questions may be based on many different types of texts. These include newspaper and magazine articles, speeches, reports, opinion pieces, advertisements, cartoons, and literary extracts. Each text has its own purpose, audience, structure, and style. Recognizing the text type helps you understand how to read and analyze it. Active reading means engaging with the text instead of reading passively. Read with a clear purpose, underline key information, and ask questions as you move through the passage. Make predictions, notice connections, and identify unfamiliar words. Active readers continually check whether they understand the writer's message and supporting ideas. Skimming means reading quickly to gain a general understanding of a text. Focus on the title, headings, introduction, conclusion, and topic sentences. Do not stop at every unfamiliar word during the first reading. The purpose of skimming is to identify the topic, central idea, structure, and overall direction of the passage. Scanning means searching a text for specific information. You may scan for names, dates, statistics, places, or keywords from the question. Move your eyes quickly across the passage until you locate the required detail. Scanning saves time because you do not need to reread the entire text for every question. The main idea is the most important message in a paragraph or passage. It tells you what the text is mainly about. Look for repeated ideas, the topic sentence, and the conclusion. Do not confuse the main idea with a small detail. A good main idea statement should summarize the central message clearly. Supporting details explain, prove, or develop the main idea. They may include facts, examples, statistics, reasons, descriptions, or quotations. When answering comprehension questions, use these details as evidence. Strong answers do not only give an opinion. They show exactly which part of the text supports the response. An inference is a conclusion based on clues from the text. The writer may not state the answer directly, so you must read between the lines. Combine textual evidence with logical reasoning. Always support your inference with a word, action, description, or detail from the passage. Avoid making unsupported guesses. Vocabulary in context questions test whether you can determine meaning from the passage. Read the sentence containing the word and the sentences around it. Look for definitions, examples, contrasts, or synonyms. Prefixes, suffixes, and root words may also help. Choose a meaning that fits the specific context, not only the dictionary definition. Tone is the writer's or speaker's attitude towards the subject or audience. It may be serious, humorous, critical, sarcastic, optimistic, pessimistic, persuasive, or objective. Identify tone by examining word choice, punctuation, imagery, and sentence structure. In your answer, name the tone and support it with evidence from the text. It is important to distinguish between facts and opinions. A fact can usually be verified with evidence. An opinion expresses a belief, judgment, or personal viewpoint. In comprehension questions, identify whether a statement is factual or opinion-based and explain why. Be aware that opinions may still be supported by facts or evidence. Every writer has a purpose for creating a text. The purpose may be to inform, persuade, entertain, explain, criticize, or inspire. Ask yourself why the writer produced the passage and what response they expect from the reader. Understanding the author's purpose helps you interpret the text more accurately. Writers often use figurative language to make their writing more vivid and engaging. Examples include similes, metaphors, personification, hyperbole, irony, and symbolism. When answering examination questions, do more than identify the device. Explain how it adds meaning, creates imagery, or influences the reader's understanding of the text. Visual literacy involves interpreting information presented through images and design. You may analyze advertisements, cartoons, photographs, graphs, and posters. Pay attention to color, layout, facial expressions, symbols, captions, and font size. Every visual element contributes to the overall message and should be considered in your analysis. Always read each comprehension question carefully before answering. Underline important keywords and command words. Return to the passage to find supporting evidence. Answer only what is asked and avoid unnecessary information. Where appropriate, use complete sentences and make sure your response matches the number of marks allocated. NSC comprehension papers include different types of questions. Literal questions require information stated directly in the passage. Inferential questions require you to read between the lines. Other questions test vocabulary, language use, tone, purpose, evaluation, and critical thinking. Recognizing the question type helps you choose the correct answering strategy. Many learners lose marks through avoidable mistakes. Do not guess answers or copy large sections of the passage unnecessarily. Read every question carefully and pay attention to command words. Manage your time wisely and support your answers with evidence from the text whenever required. Careful reading leads to accurate answers. Use a clear strategy during the examination. Read the passage first to understand the overall meaning. Next, read the questions and identify important keywords. Return to the passage to locate evidence before answering. Finally, check your responses to ensure they answer the question completely and accurately. Let's apply these strategies. Begin by reading the short passage carefully. Answer the literal question using information stated directly. Next, support your inference with evidence from the text. Use surrounding words to determine vocabulary meaning, and identify the writer's tone by analyzing the language used. This step-by-step approach builds confidence. Success in the NSC examination comes through consistent practice. Read every question carefully and answer according to the marks allocated. Support your responses with evidence from the passage. Practice using past examination papers and marking guidelines. The more you practice, the more confident and accurate your comprehension skills become. Let's summarize today's lesson. Read actively and with purpose. Identify the main ideas and supporting details. Use evidence to make accurate inferences. Analyze vocabulary, tone, and the writer's purpose. Most importantly, practice regularly because strong comprehension skills develop through consistent reading and application. Congratulations on completing this lesson on Reading Comprehension Strategies. Continue practicing these techniques whenever you read. Visit www.FutureAfricaMinds.com for study notes, revision resources, worksheets, worked examples, flashcards, and NSC past papers. Keep reading, keep learning. Future Africa Minds. Learn today, lead tomorrow.